Be ready with your activity, everyone. Excuse me. Excuse me. Be ready with your activity. Excuse me. Let everyone enter. Yes, Ritvik, what problem do you have, beta? Switch on your cameras. Cameras on karo sabke sab. Advika, how many students were there in the previous class? Advika, how many students?
Yes, ma'am.
Fix it properly and keep your camera on throughout the video, throughout the class. Huh? Advika, how many students were there in the previous class?
Ma'am, I don't know.
You don't know? Okay. Sorry, you know? How many students were in the previous class?
No, ma'am.
Only 6 students are. Take out your activity. Take out your activity. You haven't completed your activity. Okay, I'm going to share my screen. You will come to know what activity you have to perform. The activity in the same way you have to do. Okay. First line, I think you have already done. Ritvik, sit straight and sit properly and keep your phone somewhere and start this activity. See, first one, this is the activity. Wait a minute, just wait. So we are going to start the activity. Here is the activity, factors activity. You have already done this first one. I think so. Wait. You have already done this first one. You the 18 columns like this and one like 18 ones are 18. Okay. Here you have to mark 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 blocks like this. And who is this? Trishti Gupta. Just remove you from the meeting. Stop it. See, 2 here. 1, 2 here. 2 here. 9 this side, 2 this side. Write 9 over here. Here you have to write 9. Here you have to use 9 here. Okay, and here it is, he has written wrong. It should be like 18. This is done by 4th day student. And here also it should be 18.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Krisha. Do this activity. Here it should be 18.
Ma'am, what do you have to do?
Yeah, you have to do the activity. Do this activity.
Ma'am, I have done.
Okay, good. Okay, I can see only 8 students till now present in the class. Here it should be 9 and here it should be 6 also. He has not written 6. Okay. Once you complete it, send me on WhatsApp. Acha, nahi. Iske baad you have to write one more thing. What you have to write, I'm just typing here. Here you have to write factors of 18 are 1, comma,
Ma'am,
18,
down and up.
comma, 2, comma, 9, comma 3, comma 6. You have to do this. At the end, you have to write this here. Like this. Do it.
Ma'am, what we have to do? Ma'am, I have joined late. Underline with the black sketch.
What? What, beta?
Ma'am, can we underline the heading with black sketch?
Yes. Obviously, you
Ma'am, I have. Ma'am,
what?
Ma'am, what we have to do? Ma'am, I have joined late.
So this is very bad. Who is saying this? First of all, you're coming late, then disturbing the class. Huh? Correct it. You have to write this in the end, like this. Okay? This is it. Wait a minute. Where is this? Are you able to see my screen now?
Yes, ma'am.
What is coming on my screen?
Ma'am,
Are you seeing the activity?
our copy.
Are you able
Yes,
to
ma'am,
see?
the factor activities.
Okay,
Ma'am, I have done.
good.
Ma'am, we have to send it on WhatsApp.
The whole activity you have done. The things which I told you, you have completed it. Have you completed it?
Ma'am, these three. Yes, ma'am.
Then you can send. So this is the activity you have to do. You have to write 18 here, 18 here. You have to make 9 here, 2 here, and here you have to also make 18 here. Factors activity, and what is important to write factors. If I've written not T is missing here. Factors of 18 are 1, 18, 2, 9, 3, 6. Okay, like this exactly you have to do. Noel, what is this? What are you playing with? Mike. Noel, Mike. Everyone has to submit this. This is compulsory. Even if you are watching the recording also, then also you have to send it. Okay. Suppose you made like this. What is the problem in yours, Noel? You made like 18 boxes like this. I told you to make a line over here and write line as it is given in your picture. And like this, you have to write 1. In the second one, you are using this box, right? Sorry, this should not be 9, this should be 18. Here it should be 9 and here it should be 2. Okay, like this. Draw these lines,
Okay, ma'am.
this one and this one. These lines are important. Like I will show you here on the screen, for example.
Ma'am, I have drawn these lines in that.
See, you have not drawn this line, this long line. It is coming. This long line where it is written 9, this long line, this line where it is written 2, this line where you have to write 3, and this line where you have to write 6. Okay. Again, she is playing Noel. Everyone, you have to complete it. Even if you are watching the recording, send me this activity. I'll note down all the names and give you marks based on it. Okay, activity
Ma'am,
marks. If you will not send
ma'am,
it,
I
you will
sent the
get
work.
0. Okay, beta, I'll see it. Okay, Pratishtha, I got. Yes, Pratishtha, it is correct. And who is this? Riddhi Agarwal. Very nicely done. Okay. So we'll meet in next class. We'll do reasoning in next class. Okay. So be prepared with your reasoning notebook. This meeting is going to be over as of now. And please send your work. Those who have not sent it to me. Pratishtha and Riddhi Agarwal, I got it. I'm going to write your names also that you have submitted. And those who are watching this recording also, they also have to send to me. Okay, Virat. Yes, Virat.